Sound like a native. English pronunciation essentials. Number 1. Listen carefully to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation. Number 2. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers to identify areas for improvement. Number 3. Learn phonetic symbols to understand how to produce different sounds. Number 4. Practice tongue twisters to improve dexterity in pronunciation. Number 5. Slow down your speech to ensure clarity and accuracy of sounds. Number 6. Use pronunciation tools like apps or online dictionaries for guidance. Number 7. Get feedback from proficient English speakers and work on the suggested changes. Thanks for watching.